know if you can hear me, but it's rainy season in Pattaya. Check this out. It's come from absolutely nowhere, and it is absolutely belting it down. I'm between Soi 7 and Soi 8 on Beach Road, and this is the October monsoon season. And I'm sat here with my new friend Doug. How are you?
Very good. How are you?
I'm very, very good.
Very good.
Lot Ali. And Doug's just given me a great tip for a future vlog. And I didn't know this, that above tukcom, it doesn't stop at level 4, where you get all the computer software and where you get all the DVDs. Oh no. There's an extra secret level.
Yeah, level 5. They have a DIY store that has a little bit of everything. Whatever you need, the spoons, the dishes, the housewares, everything that you need, you're going to find a little bit of everything up there at that DIY store. And it's absolutely fabulous and as cheap as anything. You're going to have a great time going up there and just doing a little bit of shopping and finding everything that you need that you maybe didn't bring from wherever you came from. And it's wonderful. I highly suggest going there.
See, this is what happens when you meet subscribers randomly in Thailand. You sit down, you have a beer, you can while away the time whilst it's raining, and you find out secret places in Pattaya, like this place, which I'm about to show you after the intro. Hello you, I'm on Pattaya Thai, and I'm following up Doug's helpful handy hint to try and find this secret DIY shop in tukcom. But before we go in, I'm just going to show you these shops here on Pattaya Thai, and there's absolutely loads and loads of dental centres. So if, like me, you need to get your teeth done, and if, unlike me, you've got the money to do it, then there's loads of dental shops in and around Pattaya Thai, very, very close to tukcom. And we're now inside tukcom. Now, if you want to check out tukcom, then I will post at the end of this vlog a little clicky link to the video which I did last February, because not a lot has changed. It's still in the same order, and it's still on level 4, all your computer software, and all the way up, loads of camera shops and loads of computer shops. But what I'm going to try and do now is get in a lift. So it's got to be above level 4, this secret DIY store. So I'll bring you back once the lift gets here. So here we are. We've got up to level 4, which is the computer software level. I don't know whether it's 5 or 6, but we're going to try it. So it's going to open up on level 5. And let's see what's up here. Oh! It's another IT city. So I've never been on this level before. But this certainly looks like an IT superstore to me, and there doesn't look like there's anything at all on level 6. So where is this weird and wonderful DIY shop? I'm confused. Well, this could be a massive fail here, because it looks like there's sod all on 6. But this isn't IT. So let's see if we can grab the lift again and go up another level. We can't get to it by the stairs. Now I'm incredibly confused. Well, this one's on level 6. Oh no, it's on ground, can't see. Oops. Wow. Okay, so we're into the twilight zone now, and this lift has an extra floor which is level 7. So we're going to try level 6 first, and then if not, we're going to try this mysterious level 7, which I don't think was on the other lift. So it's ultra super secret if you can only get it from one lift. This is level 4 again. I've got to say I'm pretty excited about this. I'm not even into DIY in the slightest. Oh, by the way, I've got my Stoke City shirt on for you. A couple of the subscribers are Stokies, so there you go. It's an old one, but it's a good one. Right, here's level 6. I don't think there's anything there at all. That looks quite scary, so I'm hoping that it's on level, the even more mysterious level 7. Here's my quest. Let's have a look. Level 7. There's absolutely fuck all here. Where is my DIY store? Oh no. Maybe it is on 6. Maybe I'm just going to get trapped on level 6 forever and I won't be able to get out. See, there's nothing here, is there? This can't be the secret DIY shop, can it? It's just a building site. No. Wow. Uber fail. Oh dear. I'm frightened. Well, speaking of building sites, we've got a pretty damn good view of a building site up here. Wow, look at this! Lots of construction in central Pattaya. Right, I'm scared. I'm going to have a shufty around the rest of tukcom. If I find this DIY store, I'll bring it back. And so, I got off at level 3, but look what I found. So it is actually on level 4, which is the same level as the computer software, and here it is. Mr. D.I.Y, having got completely lost around tukcom. Here it is, so you can buy drills, batteries, Mr. D.I.Y. Doc Martin style things. A Wonder Mincer. Sieves. I wonder if I can get a colander. I want a colander. So this is it. It wasn't really much of a top tip because it wasn't very secret after all. But I hope you enjoyed watching me get lost around tukcom to try and find this DIY store. And it's the place to go if you're ever in need of a Barbie doll. Or a fire truck. Or a children's snooker table. Right, that's it. I'm done with this now. What a bizarre vlog. I'm going to stick it up anyway. Thank you for watching. Vlogity off.